Hi guys, I don't want to bet.
For some reason, it always goes like this, and I have to load in, and it's just not,
that's what always happens.
Yeah,
so,
especially when it's in your time. I don't like it. I really don't like it.
Because someday we'll tutorial like how to show you to glitch, innit?
Really?
Yeah.
How to show you to glitch?
Yeah.
You mad?
Now we need to do it because all our subscribers need to know.
They don't need to know. But
yeah, what happens if they never escape because they can't glitch?
So?
We need to let them out, but.
Okay, I just need to like fully load in.
So I'm just waiting here.
Hello guys. Now I'm the absolute YouTuber. I had to go places that you don't want to know. I'm joking. So,
Junior.
I'm playing Prison Life. Waiting to spawn.
Junior. Pass it.
No.
Yes, I'm finally spawned.
Junior.
Go Mamadou.
Mamadou's here.
I am here.
Yeah, but then I was on it first. I was there.
I was on it first.
Mamadou wasn't on it first. You said I should play for you.
I'm escaping, fam.
So technically, no, you wasn't.
Elijah, I'm escaping without you.
You know what? He's not going to listen to me anyways.
Elijah, I'm escaping the easy way.
Okay.
This why wall glitching Shadow. How do you wall glitch? Do it.
Let me show you.
I just want to see him do it.
I thought it was Shadow.
That's definitely how you wall glitch.
Did I say that?
No, Mamadou. I'm talking to Mamadou.
That's how you wall glitch, isn't it?
No. Cause okay, you need to get right on spot. Cause I moved my ankle.
Obviously, you know how to wall glitch.
That
What's my character?
would haven't I wall glitched?
Yeah, but I didn't more than you.
Because you showed me.
My character's never gonna spawn as you.
Okay, guys. So I'm just trying to wall glitch. Not going that well. I just got killed by a criminal. So guys, that came up. It's just
I can't even hit.
it's because of viruses.
I bet viruses. Viruses my bot fun.
Yeah, you hear my friend there?
He likes to lie and clickbait on this channel. He's clickbait on man. Don't trust this channel.
And he's a clickbaited too because
how
do you like me now?
He'll scam you. Trust me.
How do you like me now?
I'm not that guy that scam me.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
I'm a guy that good.
Scam people. Yeah, scam people. Yeah, you got that right.
Cause like they've already scammed. Have I? No.
My microphone stopped working.
God.
Oh, because you have to press record again.
Oh, I'm being a prison. I'm being a cop. I'm being a. Cause I feel sorry for the cops.
What the?
You guys, I'm being a cop now. Okay, got my gun. Look at me, boss. Cause I like this way. So let me just take my man. How do you like me now?
Of lagging life, prison life. Now this guy just.
We have a hacking. We have a hacking criminal. I'm the one.
So I'm just gonna be a cop now because
you look better like that, to be honest.
Back again for lagging days. Lagging life once.
Oh, I'm lagging.
Lagging life.
Okay,
yeah, stop lagging.
Oh, no.
Elijah.
Yes. You remember, I want to so low.
Yes. Get her.
Sucker.
It's hard, fam. It's hard.
Yeah, me and Mommy are just gonna get these criminals down.
Yeah, fam. These videos will be on our separate channels, you know.
Yeah, so like, you should check both of our channels out. I'll be uploading like probably every day.
Yeah, come in.
I'll be doing Island Royale videos.
Sucker.
Cause you can add me so like we can play duos on the island.
I don't like the way you look.
Me?
This guy.
Yes. You look like you tryna
Get out of here. Get out of here.
We respect Jesus. We didn't have the.
He was an innocent guy when he came in.
I know. We're meant to arrest them if they're not shooting us. Let them come in. Arrest.
Unlike Jailbreak, you get money for arresting people.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you guys.
He's eating while he's playing, but okay.
Yeah, and I'm nicking his food.
Yeah, you can have one, please.
That would play for a while. Someone's shooting us.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
It's not letting me. It's not letting me move. It's not letting me move the mouse.
Oh.
No, it is.
I love this. Mom, the internet is nice.
Mm-hmm.
They're coming up from up top. Someone's glitching from up top. Mama, do hill.
Life would be easier for you if you had a laptop.
I know, right?
You wouldn't have to stay downstairs. You can go up, and you could also bring it around.
People in. Use the rest of this guy. Mom, do.
I can't move it.
Now me and Mom are gonna go for like the big dogs, the criminals.
I can't move it a lot. I can't move it.
Mom, that would come. Absent player. Oh, Mom,
Why does it let you?
Mom, do.
Fingerprint
Let's.
ID.
It's actually.
Yeah.
Us.
I'm joking. I don't know.
Mom, do. Let's go for the big dogs.
Okay.
You know who the big dogs are.
Bugs driving. Criminal.
Where? It's mine's legs.
People have escaped. You're going back to jail. So you want to shoot me?
Fine, you can shoot them.
Arrested.
Now this one's busted. 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 He got busted.
Let's go.
Drop me off to where I opened the gate for you.
We're going to the criminals.
So you guys, I was playing with the on Android. I got some friends.
Yeah, they're all noobs.
So Mama do.
No, but like one of my friends are not noob. His name is Dawood, and you should check him out. You should check him out if you want to win, cause like he's so good.
Yeah, he's so good.
Are you sure he killed me? I got killed. I got killed. Oh, now we
Psych.
Mention face.
And we have a clan called Faye and
Sanity
clan, and like.
How can they shoot through walls? Who saw that? Is that not hacking?
And we have a face. It's like about Android.
Hey. You think? What do you think?
And you should join it if you're good at Android, and if you like that trick shot person.
Guys, we got wild.
I got her.
Mohammed said it had to be someone that we knew, yeah? Obviously, some of the FaceTime didn't know each other before they joined.
Yeah.
Then after, so then, since you guys are lucky, you actually get a chance to join.
Yeah. So, I'm inviting you. So if you but if one of our players are not there, your squad.
Yes, got him.
Yeah, and tell us your name in the description.
Yeah, tell us your name.
We'll test you and we'll see.
We'll see if you're noob or not noob.
If you're like,
you have to be at least as good as our leader or better.
Who's our leader?
Mohammed, but he's
to be higher than a level 1.
Yeah.
No, you have to be higher than at least level 5.
No, level 5. Level 5.
In one game, you must at least get more than 10 kills.
Yeah.
No, not at least.
No, not 10, not 10, not 10.
You have to get at least a win, more than one win.
No, at least 1 kill or 2. No, not 1 kill. 3 kills, at least 3 kills.
And you have to win a victory. Like what I did. I killed somebody and I got a victory for us. But I lost connection, so I didn't get the win. But I got it as a victory by killing them.
Sometimes I like.
I remember that. I remember.
What the?
Like sometimes. I'm just gonna trick shot this dude. No, it didn't work. Let me try another trick shot.
Wreck.
See, like, cause I'm like the no scope.
Your time is, I think.
I'm like the no.
4 minutes is over.
Okay, so see.
I'm like the no scope in the clan.
So your computer disk is full. Oh yeah, because you know your computer, yeah. It's full of your storage is full.
I need to delete storage.
Yeah.
Like you need to delete stuff. That's why you have to record.
Okay, and where do I go to file to delete?
Yeah.
You just see whatever you don't want and you can just delete it.
Where? How? Where?
Trying to get me, fam.
Now send me to file.
You're lucky I can't get ya.
Yeah, cause you're really bad.
How
You
did
dropped
he
the
get
E card as well. You're so bad.
It's so good.
Cause I thought when I last to kill him, I thought the game was gonna be like, oh, he's innocent. Now you're a freaking.
How's he innocent when he's holding a fucking knife?
That's what the game sometimes
He's
says.
gonna shove you off.
Bang! Don't come closer. Okay, I'm gonna check your
You're so
victory.
shite.
Bang!
Create some storage, please.
You so doo-doo.
Yo, dude, you're trash. Yo, dude, you're trash.
I know I'm trash at this game.
Yeah. So if you want to see who's
I'm the worst at prison life.
So if you want to see who's good at Island Royale, be me and Junior. The clan leader is not as good as us.
It's like I'm the.
It's just that he's the founder. He's the founder, so he has to be the leader.
I'm the only god.
So we have to respect him. If he wasn't the founder, he would have not made it in the team.
Yeah, cause like fam, he's terrible.
He would.
He's never got a win.
Yes, he has.
Oh. Yeah, because you guys carried him.
Yeah, because I carried him.
Exactly. Why are you carrying people?
Me?
Yeah, you're looking at me. Storage.
Did you delete? Okay, Mom has to delete things so he can get storage. So then he can record for longer, like us. And
Dawood.
Yeah.
17 most of my storage. No, Ash has been downloading stuff on my app. She's so annoying. My sister. I need to delete.
jeez, I'm just like hitting people strong, but I don't want to kill them because you know what'll happen. I'll become a god.
Then lead them into the god place and arrest them.
Don't hit him again, else he's dead.
That will look on top of you. Look up.
What?
Just look up.
What?
Look up.
See, it's not true.
You see something that you will lick. Look up. Look up.
Say no more!
You will lick that.
And we're just gonna get some wins, and I'm just gonna kill someone with this M9. Okay,
Kill them,
okay.
just kill them.
No, I can't. I only have an M9 and they have what?
It's not my fault, you suck.
It's not my fault you're so bad. You have to leave.
Hmm?
It's not my fault you're so bad. You have to leave.
Well, is it his fault?
I'm joking.
Dawood, I don't have hardware. You know when you hack, it makes all your storage go down. Like that time when I hacked on Shinobi Life, Dawood went home as Susano.
Can you let me try? Let me try.
Go and get your gun.
When I hacked Dawood and he got Susano, he was so angry. Dawood used my methods to level up.
Why did you come on?
Sorry.
Because he can do what he wants.
I remember when it just came out, me and Preston just watched it.
Obviously, you and Preston.
Cause like, Preston was like, my god.
I don't care about Preston. I'm joking. Who is Preston?
What the hell?
Now you get the thing.
Who's
It is so hard to get gun.
It's because you stand still.
It's because you're aiming and you're aiming. You can't aim.
See, did you see that? No, when I was down there, I shot him.
But you stand still.
Yeah.
Rest him then.
You're so good, man. You're actually so bad. I'm better.
Just press hand, go handcuffs.
I
Just up and rest
Why
him.
do people like camo tracksuits so much?
You're just a doo-doo.
Camo is the new trend.
See, how did I not get him?
How you press
Comment
him
down
try
below, man. Camo, innit?
Right.
Camo, Nike, Adidas, bricks. Elijah's favorite shoes are bricks.
I
Your
never.
friend is killing you.
Elijah, you need to check the time when to do your outro, fam. Elijah, you got 1 minute left.
So you guys have 1 minute to record and
You must lose trash on this.
What
So-
the hell has my sister been downloading?
subscribe and do what you want. And
How's that not person?
Do what you want.
do what you're talking about. Hey, I'm uncontrollable. Being all these deeds, I'm doing all this, doing all it up, yeah. And so I don't know what I'm singing, but like hit me up.
What the hell?
I can tell you my Skype name and we can just play some duos.
Yeah, I mean, we could be together.
People could be stalkers.
You killed that guy, so you're
Go back to Drake. Oh, I still got 83%.
and then we can win on island.
Oh,
So
just
see
get
ya.
some wins.
But when